Hi, this is Mike from Arcan Trailer. Today I'm going to show you the Primetime Avenger 27 DBS bunkhouse model. So we'll start on the outside first. As you can see, Avenger this year has a brand new look. They went with kind of more the gray style tin instead of kind of the beige that they had last year and the past couple years before that. They wanted to modernize the unit a little bit. And then in addition to that, they packed it some great new features. So we'll start on the outside. As you can see, power awning, LED light strip. Standard on all the Avenger ATIs. ATI stands for anything tows it. So this is their lighter weight line. Outside kitchen. So you got the 2-burner stove, outside fridge, and right back here you have a fully plumbed in sink. So the difference with this sink and one that you might see that comes out on a tray similar to how that stove is this one's actually plumbed into your gray tank. So it'll actually drain in there and you don't have to worry about dumping a bucket or anything like that. Spare tires, of course, standard. Outside shower on the back as well. All right, let's head inside. So as you can see, very modern, very crisp new look from Avenger. New wood tones, new flooring, counters, everything. They redid everything this year. So they still kept the nice residential furniture. King-sized U-shaped dinette. When this folds down, it's the size of a double bed. So if you need the extra sleeping, it's there. All right, all the lighting's of course LED. Double bunk beds at the back. You got the large 50-inch TV, comes standard. That's not an added option or anything. It comes with the model. And what's nice about this floor plan is it's right across from your seating area. So there's no awkward angles or anything like that when it comes time for movie night. Washroom. As you can see, quite spacious. Plenty of room around the toilet. You get a full vanity. Nice big tub. Okay. Kitchen. Fridge, of course. LED lit black splash, just for a little bit of accent lighting. Stainless steel, microwave, oven. One of my favorite things is the nice big sprayer faucet. No cheap fixtures or anything. It's actual steel. And then master bedroom. Very private, no accordion doors or anything like that. All, wood locking doors. Storage under the bed, of course. 2 reading lights underneath, closets on either side, and that's it for the Avenger 27 DBS.